Hello YouTubers, and hello, I've gained one more subscriber, so thank you for subscribing. Yes, I thought today that I will show you how and what app I use to book my hotels, and the reason why I use the app for. I go on to Agoda. I've got the app here, I'll show you the app. Just get onto it. And I will show you the reason. I don't know if all the other booking apps do this, but there it is. And because obviously I've booked my hotel through this to go to Thailand, Pattaya, which is called LK Metro. So this is what you do. I'm just going to show you my phone. So you sort of fill that in, the London locations. I've typed in Pattaya, then you just type in that, and you type in there, and that, you just scroll down to whatever date you want. See, it's got check in and check out. So this is my booking. So you got these down here. Flights. I never book my flights on here. I've shown you in previous video that I book my flights on Skyscanner. But you can do it on here. It's whatever you prefer. My bookings. Go into my bookings. I'll show you what I booked. I got a good deal. LK Metro Hotel in Pattaya on the 25th. Check out on the 2nd of July. 7 nights. Yeah, so I don't think I'm going to be going on that now. I'm going to leave it right to the last minute, because I'll show you why I want to leave it to the right at the last minute. Is because I got a great deal, I think. There it is, LK Metro Hotel. Free cancellation, which is good. I think it's up to 5 days before you check in. And there you go. Look, I got it for 100 well, I'll show you the reason why I got it for that. £199 and 4p. Let's go into view price breakdown. And that's why I like doing it through Agoda. Because I'll show you, I'll try and explain the reason why you get money if you use this app. And I always find using the app through my mobile phone, I get better deals. I don't know why that is, but I do get better deals. And also, I found out this year when I was in Thailand that if you use these apps while you're in Thailand, you can get even better deals. I don't know why that is. But there, look, see, so I've got £14 and 32p off. And the reason why you get that, every time you book hotels through this app, Agoda app, you get like money coupons. I think they give you so much. If all depends if you book like an expensive hotel, I think you get a bigger amount of money coupons. But yeah, I thought I'll show you that because it's quite interesting. So when I last booked a hotel, when was it? I think it was like about February time. Yeah, it was over Chinese New Year I was there. And through that booking that I done in February, I got £14.32. So I thought, well, if I'm going to book, and also if I cancel this booking, I won't lose that. I'll get that straight back. But I don't want to cancel it just yet. It's easy to cancel. You just press that and cancelled. But you do get your money back. You do get that back. And I opt to pay nothing until June the 20th. So yeah, so I just thought I'll show you that. It's reasonably easy. Obviously you got to put all your card details in, and you can save it. But I thought I'll show you that because it's quite good. That there's £14.32. It's well worth doing, but maybe other apps do that as well. I always seem to get good prices on Agoda. Sorry about that. I ran out of battery. Yeah. So that's the reason why I use it. My last booking I did it in February. I got £14.32. Yeah, so that's the price I'll be paying. All that £32 is tax and fee. So yeah, So or like I said, I think I've got it in. If you cancel booking, you get that £14.32 back. But there you go. Can you see? Where is it? 14. Can you see that? £14.32. If I cancel that, that's my total price. That's how much. And that's how much I'll have to pay. So yeah, just like to, I hope that helps you out. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and also press the notification button because I will be making more videos. So yeah, so every time I make a video, you get notified. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Stay safe and enjoy your week. Thank you. Bye bye.